We're 10 kilometers away from the entrance to the waterfalls, and look at the view. Doesn't it look like the road is directly leading to the heavens? It's so beautiful. I wonder how lucky these people who are here, who are living in the vicinity of these mountains. They can come to this place whenever they feel like. For me, at least, I'll have to travel 100 kilometers to get to here. But the people living here, they just have to, travel a couple of kilometers and they're here. These are the type of people I always wish to avoid, because they're they're not just risking their lives, but they are risking the lives of the others on road as well. Look at this road. Oh, this is so beautiful. It reminds me of my native village back in Rajasthan. In monsoon season, this is how it would look like. Just minus the mountains. Apart from that, it's probably the same. Single lane village roads covered with lush greenery on either sides. பண்ணியாச்சு சார், செக் பண்ணியாச்சு. ஆ, தேவராஜன் சார் இனிமேல் தான் வருவாரா? டோக்கன் வாங்கியாச்சு அண்ட் பேக்ஸ் எல்லாம் செக் பண்ணியாச்சு. This is my favorite part about visiting this place, the off-road. The last thing you should be worried about while riding a X-Pulse is a bad road or perhaps no road. Look at the view. This is amazing. It's a little bit scary because I'm completely new to this off-road thing.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Fuck. That was a close call. எங்க நான் பார்க்கிங்? நைட் ஒரு 11 o'clock போட இதில் இடத்துல ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுற வேலை இருக்கும் அதில். இதுக்கு மேலே கொஞ்சம் ட்ரிக்கியாக இருக்கும். ஆமாம், இது வரைக்கும் ஜாலியாக நடந்து வந்துட்டோம். இங்கேயும் ஏதோ குக் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க பாருங்களேன். போங்க. அதாவது பார்த்துக்கலாம். இல்லை கிடையாது. எங்க இப்போதான் கால் பயங்கரமா வழுக்கும். அவ்வளவு தூரம் வரும்போது வழுக்கல நமக்கு. And we're finally back. Almost going to reach my home back, and it has been a wonderful day. I've been to this place like countless number of times already, but still every time I come to this place, it's a wonderful experience. I don't know why people kind of ignore this place, saying that I've been here already. So what? To me, it will never matter how many times I've visited. This is one beautiful place. I'll visit every time when I want to visit somewhere and I don't have a place to visit. This is my go-to destination. That's everything, from couple of friends joined in and made it even more interesting. So yes, it's a day well spent. And, thank you for watching. This is your introvert biker signing off.